global happenings today. We communicate, we analyze global news. Stay tuned.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. A lot of persons believe that the northern Nigerians have this way of playing politics that disarms. Some believe that they know when to disarm, they know when to be forceful, and they also know when to apologize as it suits them, simply because they are probably in the corridor of power. While some may agree, some Nigerians may agree, some also beg to disagree. While as they have noticed that Arewa youth have decided to do what they've not done in a very long time to the Ndigbos. But before we go into the news proper and further analysis, we would like you to subscribe to our channel by clicking on the red subscribe button. Beside it, you will see a bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. Alright, 3 years ago, about 3 years after a quit notice order issued to Igbos in the northern part of the country, the Arewa Youth Consultative Forum, AYCF, yesterday tendered apology to the Ndigbo over their earlier Eject order. National President of the group, Alhaji Shettima Yerima, tendered the apology when he led a group of northern youth leaders on the visit to Mr. Raf Uwazuirike, leader of the movement for the actualization of sovereign state of Biafra, MASSOB, and Biafra Independent Movement, BIM, in Owerri on Friday. Yerima said he came to sue for peace among the Igbos and Northerners so that the two tribes can live in harmony anywhere in the country. While explaining further on the quit notice, Yerima said the group regretted the inconveniences the order caused the Igbo living in the north during the period. He, however, revealed that the intention of the quit notice was to expose corrupt Igbo leaders and not to instigate crisis among the two ethnic groups. Yerima said henceforth AYCF would protect the interests and security of the Igbos in the north. Some elements are working against the unity of Igbo in the north, and that is why we issued the quit notice order. But now we want to prove to the world that the two races are still together. I came to preach peace and unity and peaceful coexistence between the Igbo and the Northerners because we see everybody in the country as one. Our earlier position on Igbo in the north is regretted. We are suing for peace and that we usher in peaceful coexistence and I guarantee security of Igbos in the north. His host, Uwazuirike, in his speech commended Yerima for the bold step he took to sue for peace. He said he would ensure that Northerners are not harassed or intimidated in Imo State and warned that any attack on the Northerners in Imo will be repelled. Recalled that Arewa Youth had in 2017 issued a quit notice order for Igbo living in the north to vacate the area. Alright, that's the news. What do you make of this sudden suing for peace? What do you think? What could this be truly, genuinely his suing for peace? Why did it take Arewa Youth? Why did it take their president, Shettima Yerima, 3 years to reconsider and to believe that they can sue for peace? Don't forget that Biafra has entered into the League of UNPO, one of the new states that have been absorbed in UNPO as undisputed and a state waiting to get their sovereignty. Alright, don't also forget also that while we have MASSOB, we also have IPOB. All of them are chasing for the same cause, Biafra. Don't also forget that in the southeastern part, we have the Fulanis and all that living in the southeastern part of Nigeria, in particular, judging from the fact that he came suing for peace with the Ndigbos. All of a sudden, he wants... I love the idea, really, but the question is, why now? What changed? Why not earlier? Why not? Is there something they want that we do not know? Time will tell. But let's feel the pulse of Nigerians over this, because when some things come suddenly, you begin to question, what's the change of heart? Are they looking for alliance? Is there something bigger in 2023? Do they want, it's like they want the Igbos to form an alliance with the North? We don't know, but let's find out. This one here is saying, all we need is peace to reign in our country. Let the average citizen travel along our highways without the fear of being robbed or kidnapped. Let all farmers go to their farm without the fear of being killed by some group of people. Let those who live in the villages sleep with their two eyes closed without the fear of bandits ransacking their villages. Let those IDPs go back to their home in the northeast without the fear of terrorists attacking them. We will get there someday. I'm afraid that looks more like a fantasy, but I hope I hope that it works eventually, because this look like a serious one, I tell you. Let's see how it goes anyway. This one here is saying, let's sue for peace. This one here is saying, Omosi scope. Northerners may be religious fanatics, terrorists, or illiterate, but they are masters of politics, I beg. This one here is saying, why the apologies? You have bigger problems in your regions, and all you think is to apologize to people who didn't even notice the yeye message. We will all listen to Nnamdi Kanu's broadcast on the days you were busy fooling yourself. Okay, this one here is saying, these northerners know how to handle our eastern brothers. They have come with their divide and fraternize with the Igbo people so that they can continue being in power. This one here is saying, there are some apologies that you will know is full of pretense. Given the chance, they will do the same thing again. This one here is saying, nobody threatens the Igbos. I can beat my chest and say that. This one here is saying, this apology from the north has hypocrisy and politics written all over it. They are trying to align with the southeast towards the 2023 general election. I've not seen a region and a people so greedy and selfish as the North. When it comes to power, it's always have to be them alone. This one here is saying, these people are looking for support for 2023. Forget all those wayo apology. This one here is saying, these people have started playing game again. They are up to something. Once beaten, twice shy. Igbos, don't sell your dignity. Be wise. This one here is saying, sorry is the hardest word to say, but can even stop wars if said at the right time. This one here is saying, there can't be peace when the issue causing the problem has not been resolved. Restructure this country, then you could have peace. It's not a big thing, no biggie on it, okay? This one here is saying, as long as you are in one country with northern Nigeria, forget anything about peace, because there will always be people carrying AK-47 there. This one here is saying, nice one. North and political mind games. These people are professors in the field of politics. They threaten IPOB and Kanu, but apologize to Uwazuirike and MASSOB. Femi Fani Kayode is also on apology tour from Zamfara to Southeast State and to Cross River. This one is saying, what can I say? If you want to catch a pig, you have to wallow in the mud. Okay. This one here is saying, please, let's embrace peace, sir. This one here is saying, you will see them defending and singing their own praises now. This one here is saying, the Kanu Nnamdi that wasn't in Nigeria then, it wasn't funny, sha. Your leader started begging like orphans and sending emissaries over the Arewa youth reject order. Okay, this one here is saying, these northerners think we are all fools, right? They issued quit notice to remind Igbos that the North owns Nigeria. They didn't like the fact that the IPOB was agitating for the freedom of Igbos, and the issued quit notice is to stifle the agitation. They also instructed the federal government to declare IPOB a terrorist organization, and the government did so. It was about master-slave relationship. The North wants to dictate to everyone how one Nigeria will be. One day, Igbo land will be an independent nation, and the likes of that Yerima, Shettima will become irrelevant. All right, let's stop there. That's how much we can take over this matter. It's now up to you. What do you think? A lot of persons believe that it could just genuinely be peace, coming from the north, meaning that maybe they're tired of the issues of bloodletting and the rest. While a lot of Nigerians out there believe that there's something sinister about the apology, that reeks of pretense and hypocrisy, and the Igbos should be very careful dealing with them, judging the fact that they came and apologized to MASSOB leader Uwazuirike, yes, and they actually want IPOB leader, that's Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, out of the way and probably brought to Nigeria and prosecuted. So you now begin to wonder which is what. But that's left for you to decide. Let's meet in our comment section. What's your take on their analysis? Do you agree or do you disagree? Let's comment. Don't also forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more updates on this and more.